Looking for a charging solution that does more than just power your Mavic Mini? The Mavic Mini charging base offers a smart way to charge and display your drone all in one. It's designed specifically for the Mavic Mini, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance every time you plug in. What sets this charging base apart is its dual purpose. While it charges your aircraft using the recommended DJI 18W USB charger and standard cable, it also holds your drone securely, turning it into a sleek display piece. This means your Mavic Mini isn't just charging, it's showcased with style and care. One standout feature is the soothing glow emitted by the base while charging. You can adjust the lighting or even turn it off completely without interrupting the charge. This subtle lighting adds a calming ambiance to your workspace or drone setup, enhancing the overall experience beyond just functionality. Inside the box, you get everything needed for a seamless setup: the bell jar, the charging base, a magnetic micro USB, and the Lucybird USB reader. Each component is crafted to work smoothly together, making charging effortless and organized. Plus, the operating temperature range from 41 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit ensures reliable performance in various environments. Trusted by over 500,000 customers, Lucybird Direct is an authorized DJI dealer known for quality and customer satisfaction. With a 99% positive feedback rate, you can buy with confidence knowing this charging base meets high standards and delivers on its promises. Users rave about the charging speed, noting it's just as fast as the original DJI cable. Beyond speed, the added benefit of a calming light and the elegant design makes this charging base a valuable upgrade for any Mavic Mini owner who appreciates both function and form. If you're someone who values a tidy, stylish setup while keeping your drone ready to fly, this charging base is worth a look. It transforms a simple charging routine into a more enjoyable and visually pleasing experience without complicating your gear. Ready to elevate your Mavic Mini charging experience? The Mavic Mini charging base offers fast charging, secure holding, and ambient lighting, all tailored to your drone. Try it when you're ready to combine convenience with a touch of style.